This is the stuff you use to clean your hands with. It's fast orange. You just squirt it in your hand like that. See? And then you wipe it like this. I think this is from AutoZone. This is good for working on the car too. And then you wipe this in real good. Then you take a rag or a dry cloth and wipes it all right off. And you use the water and soap in the sink. See, it's all gone. That way you're not leaving greasy fingerprints everywhere. I think this was like $6 for this bottle. Nowadays it's probably 20, 25. I don't know. But this is the good stuff. Okay. Hey, before you go, check this out. For $20, you're going to learn 83 strategies to get people to call you on the phone and sell you their trains. $20? Can't go wrong. Use the link on Amazon.